bro, like, let me tell you, if you feel too comfortable in your clothes, then it's definitely mainstream. Like, you're not doing something right, and you're not being too creative or anything like that.
I think heartbreak inspires me. I think you can learn more about yourself from heartbreak than anything else. I know I have. So, yeah. Heartbreak.
Prince, Michael Jackson, those are the original rock stars, the icons of fashion and bringing their passion to the stage. It really inspires me in their own creativity and sense of self. That's what true beauty and true music is all about.
I miss people being inspired. It's like my main thing. I want people to be interested. I think that's one thing that's missing, just in general. Interest and curiosity.
I think mainstream is something that can inspire a lot of people. People get too caught up in the fucking fact that, it can be cheesy, it can be stupid, but, really it's a good way to spread a message and get a point across.
I think clothes are really important, especially to me. I just like dressing well. I've always thought if I dressed well, I could like do anything I wanted. It gave me like that freedom to like express myself visually, and I think that's really important for everybody to do.